get moving here.
Hey guys, how you doing? We're gonna talk about patience today, my friends. Alright, so stay tuned.
Get going, get going.
Hello my friends, this is Gabriel the Proactivator. And I'm coming to you with a new episode titled Patience. Now allow me to give you like an illustration, just a little taste of what patience feels like. Now please, do wait. Wow, that was a long few seconds, weren't they? I wonder how many of you just wanted me to just start talking. Now, to the ones who are actually still here with me, well, for you, thank you for your patience. Folks, patience is a tool that if we learn how to use it more often, we could really make a tremendous difference in many relationships. And also, have more peace of mind more often. You know what impatience does? It steals your joy. It robs your peace. And it also injects and it instills uncertainty to those who see us exhibiting these type of behaviors. It shows inability to be mature and cope with tough situations. Now, we all do it in different levels, some more than others. This character reflects one of the previous characters that we talked about on faith. When our reaction is that of impatience, we are outwardly showing our true inability to the faith we have in a particular area. This reaction hinders our faith because we are expressing wholeheartedly, with much assurance, at that particular moment of uncertainty or difficulty, that we don't have faith. We might say we have faith, but in moments of struggle, we show how we really feel by losing our patience. It is the heart's reaction on how we really feel. Now, what can we do? Well, in Proverbs 19:11 it says that a person's wisdom yields patience. Well, my friends, the Bible says plenty of times that wisdom is a really good thing to have. So, pray for much wisdom. Every single day, let that be in your vocabulary, day after day. And do all the necessary actions that give you wisdom. Read much more. Practice the behaviors of wise people in your own life. Whenever you face a patience struggle, act like a wise person and be wise in your reaction to such struggles. Oh, it's easier said than done? Of course it is. I struggle with this in my own life all the time. But I do have some wins more than before. So, what is that called? Wait for it. Progress. Yes, as you keep on praying for wisdom and practicing and acting it out, like if you in fact were a wise person, this will give you progress and your patience level will improve and your faith will be fortified by this character and this new behavior. My friends, be proactive with your patience and proactivate your faith.